you first start using Scrivener 3 for Windows, you might be confused about where all the settings are. Because, let's be honest, they seem to be all over the place. If you're looking for a specific setting for a specific function, you might find it in one of my other videos on that topic. Otherwise, here are a couple of places you can search for the most common functions. First up is the main area to change defaults, and that's under File and Options. Now, when you first go into this, you might feel a little overwhelmed because you have multiple options along the top and down the side and tabs within each one. There are a lot of options here and things aren't always under the first option you see. I'll give you an example. If you're looking for something to do with the corkboard, you might find it, like we are here, under Index Cards. One other thing to note is that you might have to restart Scrivener for some of the changes you make. Another place to find settings is under Project and Project Settings. This is the main place for any kind of categorization default, such as labels, statuses, section types, etc., but has a few other items too. These are the same settings you'll get if you use the edit function on, say, labels in the inspector. So you can add, change or delete items here. If you want to know more about labels, check out this video here.